Mark, you know, this stud stable, I've said it before and I'm going to say it again. They've been around together for a long time. They're a great tag team. Funk and Rhodes, they call themselves the Texas Connection, but they've not been a tag team that long. They can't function like this stud stable. I'm picking the stud stable. In case you don't know, I'm picking them to win this match.
Last week, the Tennessee Stud Stable defeated Kerry Von Erich and Bill's Superstar Dundee in kind of an unusual situation, and the Rhodes Funk team defeated T.Y. and Landell when Gary Young came in to interfere and shot against the Rhodes. So that's how these two teams.
The stud stable defeated Bill Dundee and Kerry Von Erich, not Terry and Kevin Von Erich, right?
Don't start that again this week, please.
Oh, Dustin's on fire. He's giving both these big 6'6" guys some hip tosses for their troubles. Now the crowd's going to get behind them. Oh, please.
Sylvia complaining to referee Blanco Novich about tight pulling, but I did not see any of that. I'm sure Terrence did, though.
Well, sure I did. I had a better angle at it than you did. If Miss Sylvia said they pulled tight, then they pulled tight.
If Miss Sylvia says you're unusual, are you unusual?
Well, I'm a little different, Mark. I've tried to explain that to you, but if Miss Sylvia said it, it probably would be right. She is a woman of character. That's how I'm going to describe her. You know, she knows her place. She knows. The stud, she's been with him for a long time, and he's trained her. She knows that a woman was put on the face of the earth only to bear the pain of childbirth, so a man wouldn't have to bear it. So she thinks, yes, sir. She knows that. I've had talks with her.
This is getting out of hand.
She takes care of this Tennessee stud as well she should. Look at it.
We don't need religious fundamentalism out here. We have enough problems as it is.
I'm just speaking the truth, Mark. I'm telling you, she knows her place. She takes care of this guy. This Brian Lee, look at him. He is a phenomenal-looking athlete.
Somebody needs to call Dr. Gene Scott for you. Brian Lee angry with the crowd as he voices that complaint with him, and Big Dustin Rhodes waits patiently.
You know, Mark, I've seen this stud stable all over the world. In some of my travels, I've been around these guys, and I want to say this one thing. If Brian Lee gets up on this top rope, he'll jump about 10 feet up in the air and come down with a knee. If he does that, Dustin Rhodes is not going to get up from it. Jimmy Jack Funk's not going to get up from it, nor anybody else, okay?
I hope most of our fans at home don't have a mute switch on their remote control.
Yeah, every time you say something, they'd be clicking it off.
Over and then back.
I think that Brian Lee's just toying with this Dustin Rhodes. You know, I think he's trying to give him some confidence, make him think that he's actually in this match.
You think so, huh?
I believe so, yeah.
Fans hollering here as they move back into the rope, hollering about Sylvia being close by. Here's Dustin throwing.
Yes, sir. Robert Lee's proud of this Brian. Robert Fuller's proud of this young Brian Lee. You know, he's taking Brian under his wing and he's tutored him. What a great wrestler Robert Fuller's made Brian Lee.
I would say your broadcasting career is going about like your wrestling career did.
Oh, hey, wait a minute, Lawrence. Have you ever put on a pair of tights?
Bumble.
Have you ever put on a pair of tights? Have you ever lifted weights in the gym? Have you ever got in the ring and wrestled? I'm asking you a question.
I told you I'm not going to argue with you. My statement's made. Brian Lee with the lock on Dustin Rhodes.
That's what I thought. Criticize me, but you never wrestled. Brian Lee's got Dustin Rhodes down right in the middle of the ring. He's got that reverse chin lock on him. Look at those arms on Brian Lee. Boy, he's a good-looking physical specimen, I'm here to tell you.
They're very unusual. Elbows, the ropes, the duck, here it comes. Over the knee goes Big Dustin.
He planted a knee in Dustin Rhodes' stomach. Now, Dustin's got a lot of stomach there to plant a knee in, but I'm telling you what, that was solid. That ain't got him over in that double standing.
Blanco Novich having to back Jimmy Jack Funk out and not allow that double team to occur. Now it's a choke over that center rope.
Boy, are they a tag team or are they a tag team? They cover all the bases.
That's another shot by Sylvia. Something's going to have to happen to get rid of her. get jammed in the turnbuckle. Dustin wants to tag, and the stud stable just won't let it happen.
Oh, the stud. Listen to him. He's hollering at me, Mark. He's saying, tell him about the stud. What he doesn't know is I've already told him about the
It's
stud.
got to be done with this Sylvie over here. She prevents anything.
Come on, Dusty. Come on, Dusty. Let's go.
Kendo sticks. You don't complain about that, do you?
Another stud stable tag, and Dustin has been in here for what seems like a week.
That's good tag team. Boy, Mark.
Rocco Lubich intently watching the action and not noticing. Here comes Lee again.
That took the breath out of Dustin. He is just about finished. I think if Lee were to pin him right now, he'd have him. Here it is. 1, 2. Oh, he got him. No. Dustin's reaching down, Mark. Dustin's reaching. I'll give him that, okay? Oh, they hit heads. They hit right. Their heads just mix perfectly with each other, and they're both down. They don't know where they are. Brian Lee looks like he might make the tag to the stud. Oh, yeah. We still got it under control here, but oh, no. Dustin tags Jimmy down.
Here comes Funk. He finally got in. He wanted it so long. Here's his chance. He's having to take care of both men.
Oh, is he hot, Mark? He's going to ram their heads together. Dustin's up. Dustin's up. Now we got all 4 of them into the ring. Funk's on Brian Lee. Dustin's on Robert Fuller.
Look at the big turnaround slam, and there's no count. Dustin does not realize Sylvia slips the stick in to Fuller, and the dirty work has been done.
Oh, man, Funk gave him that big stampede, but the stud stable was 1 step ahead again, Mark.
Oh, no, it's the stud stable in the final round, facing the winner of Travis and Young against Jeff and Boyd.
Come on, that's bull crap.